Hello there! Today we are making Jello Play-Doh. Our ingredients are flour, salt, vegetable oil, warm water, and of course, gelatin Jello. The supplies you will need are a mixing bowl, a tablespoon, half a cup, 1 cup, and a wooden spoon. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna grab our flour, and we need 1 cup of flour. Get a nice big cup. Oh yeah, 1 cup of flour. Always put the lid back on. Otherwise, you'll have flour everywhere. All right, next, we're going to use half a cup of salt. And salt. Here we go, half a cup. Got that. Close the lid. Next, 2 tablespoons of pure vegetable oil. Okay, 1, 2. Put my lid back on. All right, and then we're going to add our warm water, 1 cup. And finally, we have our gelatin Jello, and ours is strawberry. So guess what color it's gonna be? It's 3 ounces. We're going to add the whole packet of, oh, there we go, Jello. It's red. And finally, I need a wooden spoon, and I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna turn this into Play-Doh. Oh yeah. I love the color. Look at this. Here it goes. It's getting thicker and thicker. Ooh. Who likes playing with Play-Doh? This guy does. All right, so now I'm stirring. Sometimes it's a little runny, and we might have to add some flour. So I'm going to take my half a cup, and I'm going to add another half a cup to my Play-Doh mixture. Oh yeah, here we go. I wish you had smell-o-vision because it smells like strawberry Play-Doh. All right, let me keep stirring. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is Play-Doh.
Nice.
All right, my Play-Doh is done. Now
Yeah.
it's Play-Doh time.
Cool. All right.
See you next time. Throw away trash. Wash your dishes. Let's review. What can you do with Play-Doh? A, play with it. B, eat it. C, throw it. The correct answer is play with it. What temperature is the water? A, cold. B, warm. C, hot. The correct answer is warm. What is the color of the Play-Doh? A, pink. B, blue. C, white. The correct answer is pink. What can you add if it's too sticky? A, more flour. B, more water. C, more oil. The correct answer is more flour. What did he use to mix the ingredients? A, spatula. B, whisk. C, wooden spoon. The correct answer is wooden spoon. Wow!